I'm Sterling. The American power grid is structurally exhausted. This fragility has created a wall for the AI revolution. Data centers require massive energy loads, but face a 5-year delay for new utility substations. The grid cannot physically accommodate the projected computing load. This creates a standstill for tech expansion, where growth is capped by local infrastructure gaps. To power the next century of innovation, we cannot afford to wait 5 years for utilities to catch up. We have to find the power that is already there. That power hides in commercial real estate as trapped amperage. Outdated HVAC systems pull electricity they don't use, creating mechanical waste. This waste directly lowers net operating income. Every lost kilowatt is capital bleeding from the balance sheet. While these properties bleed capital, foreign-based competitors are using sovereign wealth to buy up these very assets and their service providers. This inefficiency makes American properties vulnerable to consolidation by outside interests. When domestic owners cannot maintain financial performance, they lose the ability to steward their own infrastructure. ECR's response is the C.A.B. protocol. It is an $11 million syndicate, $1 million in debt and $10 million in equity. This isn't venture capital for operational runway or general hiring. We deploy this capital to issue irrevocable letters of credit to our 5 core technology partners. By taking on the production risk for these specific manufacturers, we secure 12 months of exclusive hardware volume for the A.W.E.E. framework. This allows us to lock in Tier 1 pricing and priority production for critical components, like UVC sterilization and power factor correction, that foreign-backed rivals cannot easily bypass at this scale. We then execute upgrades with zero upfront cost for the building owner. Their utility waste is converted into a self-funded project that pays for itself through the savings generated. Lowered operating expenses increase net operating income. Since property value equals income divided by cap rate, this forces immediate appreciation. For investors, returns are driven by margin capture, the shaded delta between our wholesale cost and the retail efficiency contract. By securing the supply chain with our $11 million raise, we protect this spread between our costs and the market value of the project. The structure of the return is based on this fixed spread, designed to provide a specific, predictable ROI derived from the mechanical physics of the building itself. By applying this framework at scale, we bypass the utility monopolies. We are reclaiming power that is already inside the city limits. We unlock this trapped amperage and broker that capacity for the AI revolution. We shift electricity from mechanical rooms directly into an adjacent data center. We are no longer just fixing HVAC systems. We are translating physics into finance to clear the path for tech innovation. The addressable market for these upgrades is $10 billion. Capturing just 10% achieves a $1 billion run rate. This is the roadmap to reaching that scale by 2031, moving from a regional operator to a market leader in building resilience. Utility waste is a financial and moral drain on our infrastructure. Funding this mandate is an act of stewardship. It restores the efficiency of our built world and protects American infrastructure from outside consolidation. We aren't just capturing margin. We are turning physical decay into asset appreciation, one building at a time.